If you need to cancel a pending iCloud transaction, follow these steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Open Settings. Go to the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. This is usually represented by gear icon on your home screen. Step 2. Tap your name. At the top of the Settings menu, tap on your name or Apple ID. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Select Subscriptions. Scroll down and select Subscriptions. Here, you will see a list of all your active and pending subscriptions linked to your Apple ID. Step 4. Find a pending transaction. Look for the pending transaction that you wish to cancel. It may be listed under active subscriptions or as a separate pending item. Step 5. Cancel the transaction. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the shrok.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Once you have completed these steps, your pending iCloud transaction should be successfully cancelled. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting Apple support for further assistance.